What's going on, guys? DJ Motomember Select here, your largest Can-Am Spyder dealer here in the US. And as always, thank you guys for checking out my YouTube channel, Spyder Sense Riding. Today, I'm going to show you a quick demonstration on how to remove the passenger backrest here. In order to do so, we have to take off this passenger seat first. So first things first, take the key, put in the ignition. You're going to push down and to the left. You're going to notice like a little wrench symbol there. So once you do that, the seat will now unlock. You can pop that off. Just put it to the side for now. And so from here, what we're going to do is there's two brackets on both sides of the this piece right here. So you're going to push in and then you're going to lift up at the same time. So push in and then up, which is going to be able to remove this passenger seat. As you can see, it's on a spring right here, so it holds a lot of tension. And of course, just put the passenger seat back on there, gives it a little bit more sleek of a look. But to put it back on, or you just bought it yourself, you know, line up the brackets on each side. Now you're going to push down, you're going to push forward and then go down. So forward and then down. Let the springs come back. Now it's locked in. If you have a driver backrest, you might have to slide it forward a little bit, but you'll see two holes on each side, which lines up the passenger seat itself. Drop her down. She's locked in. And that's how you remove the passenger backrest. Thank you, guys.